Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and it's May 19th. Hope you guys have a great morning so far. We got a couple items to go over, so we'll just jump right into it. We'll start out with the housing starts for the month of April. Last month in March, it was at 1.276 million annual units, on pace for that. And forecast was coming for 900,000, and it came in just under expectations at 891,000. Now the other one, which is future housing starts, which is building permits. Whoops, sorry about that. It should be April as well. Misspun there. We also had a 1.356 million annualized units for the month of March. Forecast gone for 996, and it actually came in a little higher than expected. So it came in at 1,074,000. So slightly under for housing starts, but building permits for future was up higher than expectations. So a little mixed news there. And of course, they're both pretty close enough where they're pretty good, still looking pretty good for the housing market. Again, we're kind of expecting this probably later in the year that recovery will be taking place probably the last half of the year. And let's kind of go to the headline news. Right now, stocks are mixed. Dow is the only one that's down a little bit. The other two, S&P and Nasdaq, are both in positive territory. Powell and Mnuchin will be testifying before Congress today via live stream, or not live stream. I guess live stream. They'll be meeting before Congress, and basically we don't expect anything to be different. They both have said in the past that they expect the recovery to be more the second half of the year. The Fed has more ammunition if needed. They'll do anything they need to do. That they still believe Congress needs to perform and do another package to help those who are still in need. Um, to, so that's what we're kind of expecting is a reiteration of what they've already been saying. U.S. is also President Trump tweeted a letter he wrote to the World Health Organization, basically stating that he may permanently withhold funding for them, as he has criticized them for their handling of the coronavirus. That they're more in cooperation with China, and that they need to kind of step to the plate and kind of show otherwise. So, in any case, this is something else. It's another event that's kind of taking place that's kind of getting some attention as well. Let's jump ahead here to the bond market. The bond market is actually up for about 11 basis points. We got a little lucky. We broke below that 50-day moving average. It actually alerted a locking bias, as we did break it. It looked like we could have stayed below it, but just late in the day, it just pulled back just above that 50-day moving average. So right now, we kind of tested it. We're up by 11 basis points. So not quite yet for price improvement from yesterday, but we're about the same price in as what we saw yesterday so far. So, but pretty close. We may see a little bit of improvement. This depends upon how the day goes on. Yields also, as you can see here, broke above the 50-day moving average, but did come back below it now. We're seeing right about the 0.71 mark currently. So again, mortgage rates remain unchanged, but could be getting some improvement here soon. Hopefully, we'll kind of have to wait and see. It's going to be more lately. It's been more stock market dependent. And again, if you got to move on here, if you guys are in California looking to buy a refinance, please reach out. We want to talk to you about how we can help you guys with your mortgage needs. You can either direct message me or email me. You can also, if you guys are ready to go, I'll put a link into the description where you can actually complete a loan application, as well as upload any documents you might have. All right, folks, you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.